Over the last 6 years of operating this network, Sling Broadband has gone up against the Goliaths of the telecom industry. I mean, AT&T. We go up against AT&T day in and day out. We also have competitors such as Comcast and Windstream and even TowerStream. Sling Broadband has been successful thanks to Ubiquiti, staying competitive in the marketplace, offering a price point which is disruptive, and in all reality, our competitors are quaking in their boots.
So we have over 9,000 customers. We have some of the more recognizable are Miami Dolphins, Miami Heat, the Volvo Ocean Race, the largest minority-owned company, El Dorado, all their stores, as well as the municipalities and federal government, the DOJ, DEA, and those type of things. After evaluating and even deploying in the very early stages of Sling Broadband, we've found that Ubiquiti is actually a much better solution to the other carrier-grade or commercial-grade products out there in both the reliability, monitoring tools, and a price point that makes us very competitive.
We started using Ubiquiti when we had a high-profile account, Audi, that required our services for internet on the beach, where no cable, no fiber, no DSL, nothing could get on the actual sand. Our equipment that we're using previous to Ubiquiti just was not able to give us the range, was not able to give us the throughput and the latency that they require to be able to do live streaming for the new Audi R8 car. We eventually figured out that we could rent 2 rooms in the hotel room that was blocking. We set up a access point on one side and we set up a 2-foot rocket dish on the other, which went to one of our towers. The distance of the shot was about 7 or 8 miles. Using Ubiquiti's radios and equipment has allowed us to lower our cost to market in comparison to using other providers such as Proxim or Alvarion, where their equipment is extremely expensive. All 3 providers are carrier grade.
Ubiquiti's unique interface, as well as supporting products such as Tough Cable and Tough Switches, has enabled our deployment teams and our field technicians and our network engineers to actually perform their duties within Sling at a much more efficient manner. The unique thing about Ubiquiti is they think of all aspects of the installation and they listen to the customer base. We have one of the highest satisfaction percentages in the industry. Our retention rate on our customers is almost 99%. Traditionally in telecom, we look for a 5 to 10% churn on your customer base, but we don't see that. The stability of our network, thanks to our products and services and management team, and above all, our equipment manufacturer, have enabled us to maintain that 99.999% uptime guarantee and keep our enterprise-grade customers satisfied. Ubiquiti, it's a no-brainer.